Hi guys, today we're gonna make an egg roll in 3 ways. It is called 계란말이 in Korean. This is kind of a food that most Koreans enjoy as a side dish. My mother used to put this in my lunchbox when I was a student. Koreans usually enjoy this food merely with the vegetables and eggs, but I'm gonna add various ingredients. First version that I'm gonna show you is baby sprout egg roll. Before you making it, strain them so that all the impurities will be removed. In this way, you can make smooth egg roll. And then put a little bit of oil in a pan and adjust the fire to medium-low. And pour 1/3 of its egg mixture on it. When egg is half cooked, place a baby sprout and egg mixture. And then let's roll them from the edges. Fold them about 4 centimeters. When you reach to the other edges, pull them to your side. And pour 1/3 of egg mixture again and put a baby sprout. Roll the egg mixture and repeat the same process over and over. Making egg roll does require a patience. It is actually repetition of same process over and over. While we are waiting for our eggs to be rolled, let me say something to you. If you're new here, please subscribe my channel for more recipe ideas. When you're done, push your egg to the edges of the pan and wait until they're done. Take them out from a pan and cool them down for 10 minutes. Then slice them about 1 centimeter wide. Can you see baby sprouts inside an egg roll? Set it aside and let's move on to make another egg roll. This is called salted Pollock raw egg roll. In Korean, it will be 명란계란말이. This is also my favorite side dish. I'm gonna use same amount of egg. I think 4 is enough. If I use too many eggs, my little square pan can't handle it. Also, season them with a salt and cooking wine and strain them with a net. This is same from the previous one. When you're done making an egg, let's go get a salted Pollock roll. It is called 명란젓 in Korean. It is a roll that is pickled to store for a long period. It is very salty and covered with a transparent layer. That's why you need to make a cut at the center. I'm gonna scrape them with a spoon. Be careful so the transparent layer would not tear out. And then oil the pan and pour 1/3 of its egg mixture on it. I like the sound when I pour an egg mixture on a pan. It almost sounds like it is raining outside. When it is half done, place a salted Pollock roll on it. If you make it into a cylindrical figure, it'll make your work much easier. Start rolling from the edges. The salted Pollock roll goes well with an egg because egg balances out the saltiness of salted Pollock roll. Don't panic if you cook your egg too much in the beginning. You can make it up later because we're gonna pour an extra egg mixture. Also, when you're done rolling with them, pulling them to your side and pour an extra egg mixture. If you have a leftover salted Pollock roll, this is the best way to consume it. When they're done, take them out from the pan and cool them down for 10 minutes. And carefully slice them. It looks very pretty because it has a little red circles inside. Last but not least, I'll make a cheese egg roll. I've done this 2 years ago, but it looks crappy right now. And that's why I'm trying to do this again. Crush 4 eggs and season them and strain them. Then I'll add veggies. Put red chilies, carrot, and bell pepper. All of them should be diced up. Whisk them all together until everything's combined. Let's set it aside and slice the cheddar cheese that we're gonna put them inside. Cut them into half 2 times. I'm also gonna make this into cylindrical shape. So the cheddar cheese should be centered in the middle. Of course, you can use other kinds of cheese if you want. Then I'm gonna fit this into the size of my skillet. If you got a bigger skillet, then you don't have to cut them too much. And remove the edges to prevent cheese overflow out of the pan. Oil the pan and pour an egg mixture. Actually, I got this recipe from one of my best friends. She made it for me when I visited her house. Cheese Aggro was so good and I never stopped making them. When egg is almost done, put a cheese inside and start rolling them. And don't put cheddar cheese in the beginning because it'll be melted out from the heat. When you're almost done rolling it, pulling them to your side and pour an extra egg mixture. And just wait until old ones and new ones are merged. This cheese egg roll is quite big compared to my little skillet. So if you use a small skillet like me, then it is better to use turners and wooden chopstick at the same time. Also, cool them down for a bit and slice it. The cheese inside is already melted out. So I think it is better to spend more time to cool them down, so that you could prevent cheese from sticking to your knife. Now we're done making it and let's try this. Place a baby sprout on a baby sprout egg roll. It'll add a crunchy texture to it. It also looks more beautiful. It is so soft and salty. I can eat a whole bowl of steamed rice with an egg roll and kimchi. You can dip them with a ketchup or horseradish sauce. It tastes perfect for me. And thank you for watching today's video and hope you like my recipe. If you are to try my recipe and upload a picture on Instagram, please tag my ID. See you in the next video. Bye bye!